Firstly, we import NextResponse from Next server. NextResponse is a built-in utility from Next.js that gives us control over HTTP responses in edge functions. We then export an asynchronous middleware function. This function intercepts the incoming requests and can alter the responses sent back to the client. Inside the function, we create a response object by calling NextResponse next. This method generates a new response that continues the request processing with its original state. We set the content security policy header on the response. This is an important security header that helps prevent a wide range of attacks, including cross-site scripting. Here, we're allowing scripts, images, and styles only from the same origin by setting self. Next, we address the CORS headers. We use access control allow origin to define which origins are allowed to access the resources on the server. An asterisk means that any origin can access the resources. With access control allow methods, we specify which HTTP methods are permitted when accessing the resource. Here, we're allowing both GET and POST requests. We also set access control allow headers to tell the browser which HTTP headers can be used during the actual request. In this case, we're allowing content type and authorization headers. Finally, we return the response object. This completes the middleware function, ensuring that these headers are included in the HTTP response sent to the client. Lastly, we export a config object with a matcher property. This property defines the path or paths where the middleware should be applied. In the example, SomePath*, the middleware will run on all paths that start with some path. And that's it. This is how you implement custom headers in Next.js edge functions for enhanced security and CORS compliance.